Out on the trail, you'll eventually find yourself needing to adjust your tire pressure or repair a tire. Keeping everything you need to inflate, deflate, or plug a leak organized will keep you moving. The Air Tools bag is designed to carry your tire repair kit, plus the 2 removable zipper pouches are great for other must-have gear like gloves, gauges, and more. The interior is lined with loop Velcro so that you can customize the bag to meet your organizational needs. The Air Tools packing cube attaches to the tool bag and is sized to hold air hoses of a variety of sizes, including multi-hose systems. The whole kit lays flat, and if you don't need the packing cube, it unclips in seconds. Like all of our gear, the Air Tools bag and the Air Tools packing cube are made right here in Virginia using mil-spec materials, and they're backed by our lifetime warranty. You can find these bags and more great gear at BlueRidgeOverlandGear.com.